This 2017 Forest River Rockwood Extreme Sports 1910 ESP is a pop-up RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Fretz RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 17 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6 and 20 gallons fresh water capacity. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Fretz RV.